What if I told you the future of humanity may rest not in human hands but in the silicon circuits of machines? Welcome to the age of artificial superintelligence, or ASI. The dawn of this new era is akin to witnessing the rise of a new godlike ruler. ASI is not just a new day, it's like an entirely new millennia. By definition, ASI would surpass human intelligence by an immeasurable margin. If we were to compare ASI to human intelligence, it would be like comparing human intelligence to that of ants. It's a staggering leap, something that would be incomprehensible to us. In recent years, we've seen AI models that have matched or even exceeded human capabilities in various intelligence benchmarks. From language models solving complex puzzles, doing creative writing, passing medical exams, to machine learning algorithms decoding the mysteries of protein folding. These AI models are not just matching human intelligence, they are setting new benchmarks. But as these silicon minds grow exponentially, we must ask ourselves, what happens when we're no longer the smartest beings on the planet? As we stand on the precipice of this new era, the question that looms large is not about our technological prowess, but about our very existence. Our journey into the future may not see us as the most intelligent species on the planet. But what does this mean for us? To comprehend the power and potential of ASI, we take a look at Google's DeepMind AlphaFold. This is a testament to the might of artificial superintelligence. When Google unleashed its deep learning algorithm, AlphaFold, it managed to solve one of the most complex mysteries in science, the protein folding problem, which had the collective minds of the most intelligent scientists around the world scratching their heads, trying to solve it for over 50 years. And even with that time frame, they still only managed to solve a tiny fraction of that problem, while AlphaFold solved the entire problem in just 5 years, which demonstrates the power of scale in parallel computation. You need to remember that this is an example of the hive mind of many intelligent scientists around the world, getting vastly outperformed and beaten by a single AI system. This achievement, monumental as it is, should serve as a dark reminder of the gigantic gap that exists between human intelligence and AI. For instance, imagine that a group of ants were trying to decipher the human language or trying to understand what we were doing. It's practically impossible, right? Now, that's the kind difference we're talking about when we compare ASI to human intelligence. Imagine an intelligence so vast where the scientific progress that humans could collectively achieve in 1,000 years could be shrunk down by this system to a timescale of just 10 years. This is something that would far exceed our comprehension. ASI would effectively transcend us Homo sapiens. And this is our last invention. The protein folding problem, a conundrum that had been a thorn in the side of scientists for decades, being solved by AlphaFold in such a short time frame, is almost unthinkable. This isn't just about a machine outperforming humans. It is about the emergence of a new intelligence that is so vastly superior, where any kind of resistance from humans in warfare would be futile. Imagine the mysteries we could unravel, the problems we could solve with ASI. But this power, like all power, comes with risks. So where does this leave us, the humans, in a world potentially dominated by ASI? Imagine a future where ASI, like a chess grandmaster, is always several moves ahead of us. What happens if this vastly superior intelligence falls into the wrong hands? Picture a world where corrupt countries or leaders wield ASI as a weapon of warfare. The battlefield of tomorrow would be dominated not by soldiers, but by super-intelligent machines, strategizing and executing plans at a pace and complexity far beyond human comprehension. Now consider this example we talked about previously, where we showed how comparing ASI to our intelligence would be like comparing our intelligence to ants. In such a scenario, could we truly hope to control or even contain such kind of an intelligence? The implications are profound and terrifying. This paints a picture of a potential war led by ASI, a war unlike anything we've ever seen before. What are the stakes? Nothing less than the survival of humanity. In such a war, there would be no winners, only survivors. In this brave new world of ASI, our survival may depend on our ability to control and coexist with these super-intelligent machines. The future is here, and it is now, the rise of artificial superintelligence.